Hello friends, welcome again in this video. This video is about S21 back glass, how open. I will show you how you can open the back glass of S21. I will use this tool and thinner as well. Mostly I'm using. First I will give heat on the all edges. After heats, glue is just in this little corner and here and all the corners. First I will start from here. Just move a little bit. After then I put this thinner. Slowly, don't rush. After come back here. Heat make easy my work. If you don't have a heat gun in home, you can use the hair dryer. Now this is come from here. Now we'll come back here in this side. Now I will go in this side. Slowly here you just need a care too much. I will use the plastic one. Have a plastic I made. If you use the plastic something, then it's okay. Yeah, all is done. Move a little bit here. Now all is done. The back glass is removed. If you need anything else, or you can put the new one. If you want to change new one, you can put new one as well. Hopefully this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.